click on the WhatsApp application, then click on the person you want to chat with. On your left hand side, click on the emoji icon, click on the avatars icon. Click on create manually. Then you have the skin tone. You have different skin tone. You can select any one that you want. Then I pick this. I have the hairstyle. You can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then you look at any one that you like. So I'm going to pick this. So I have the hair color. You can scroll down. You can scroll down. You have the different hair colors. So I'm going to click on this. So after that, another thing is the outfit. I have the female outfit, I have the male outfit. So you can just scroll down and look for the one that you want. I have this, I have that, but I am going to choose this. So I have selected that. So the next thing I'm going to do is the eye shape. So I have different eye shape. I have the eye color. So I have the eye makeup. So you can select from that one. You can have the bindi if you want. So you can pick any one. Then have the nose. You can pick any one that you want. I have the nose piercing. So you have the face shape. So you can select any of the face shapes. So I'm going to select that. So then I will move to the next one, which is the facial ear. So you need a facial ear. So you can pick any one. So I'm going to select this also. So after selected the facial ear, so now the next thing is ear patching. So we have different ear patching. So you can also pick the color for it. I didn't pick anyone, so there's no ear patching for that. So I have the head wear. So we have different head wear. So you can pick any one that you want. Then you can pick the color for it. After that, you will save. Then after saving, the avatar will be loaded. So we have different avatar for the celebration, for the happiness, for the sad mode, for the angry. So you have different ones. So you can just pick any one. You send it as emoji.